How to fix schedule message not working on Instagram in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Instagram. Now click on Instagram and here you can update your Instagram. If you can't update your Instagram, then here you can see the option update. After update your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Instagram. Now click on Instagram. And here you can offload your Instagram. This will free up storage used by the apps but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will resistant your data if the app is still available for download. After clicking on offload app, then reinstall it. After reinstall, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.